Hey everyone, today I'll show you if Sage Intacct is used in the UK. Yes, Sage Intacct is used in the UK and it's becoming more popular every year. Many businesses choose it because it makes accounting and finance tasks much easier. It is a cloud-based system, so you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection without needing any complicated setup. People appreciate that it saves time when managing expenses, tracking income, and creating financial reports. UK companies also find it helpful because it follows local tax laws and accounting rules. Sage Intacct is known for giving businesses more visibility into their financial data. When it's real-time dashboards, users can instantly see important information like cash flow, revenue trends, and expenses. Many users say that it's easy to set up and becomes simple to use after a little practice. The system also has strong automation tools that reduce manual work. This helps businesses save many hours each month that would otherwise be spent on repetitive tasks. Sage Intacct is trusted by thousands of organizations because it has powerful audit trails, which mean that data stays safe. It stands out as the first financial management software endorsed by the AICPA. This adds an extra layer of trust, showing that it is highly respected in the accounting industry. Customer support for Sage Intacct is generally good. Many users praise their help during setup and training. The company also provides a lot of resources like online learning, webinars, and user groups where businesses can share advice and best practices. However, a few users have mentioned that support response times can be slow during busy period. Sage Intacct also offers strong reporting and analytics capabilities. Businesses can build custom reports without needing IT help, which makes it easier for finance teams to answer important business questions quickly. If a business has multiple locations, Sage Intacct makes it easy to manage everything in one place. It supports consolidated financial reporting, which is a big plus for larger organizations or companies that are expanding. Its budgeting and planning tools also help businesses to predict future performance and make smarter decisions. Although Sage Intacct can be costly for small businesses, many believe it is worth it for the time, accuracy, and control it offers. It is designed to scale with businesses as they grow, so it can support companies from early stages all the way to large enterprises. The software is updated regularly with new features and improvements based on customer feedback. Overall, Sage Intacct is a trusted choice for UK businesses seeking better financial control and growth. Its strong reputation and smart features make it a popular financial solution across the UK. Thanks for watching, hope you find it useful and don't forget to like and subscribe.